Learn Hindi transport words fast. Traffic 2.
बदलना.
Welcome to the road trip. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi through a slightly chaotic city adventure. Don't worry, the only traffic jam here is your brain trying to park 8 new words at once. Our mission today is simple: survive a city trip and learn Hindi on the way. First, traffic is.
यातायात.
A street is.
सड़क.
An intersection is.
चौराहा.
A traffic light is.
ट्रैफिक लाइट.
A bus stop is.
बस स्टॉप.
A timetable is.
समय सारणी.
A ticket is.
टिकट.
And to change trains is.
बदलना.
If that felt like a bus driver shouting stops at superhero speed, perfect. We'll do it again more gently. Meet the city monster. Let's start with the word that explains why people are late, sweaty, and dramatic. Yes, the legendary excuse has arrived. Traffic is.
यातायात.
Say it slowly.
यातायात.
This morning, traffic is heavy. In Hindi.
आज सुबह यातायात भारी है.
Imagine a road full of cars, buses, bikes, one goat with strong opinions, and endless honking. That whole moving mess is.
यातायात.
Quick mini drill. I say English, you say Hindi. Traffic.
यातायात.
Why are you late? Because of.
यातायात.
Excellent. You now have an internationally respected excuse. Walking down the street. Now let's put your feet on the ground. Preferably not in the middle of traffic. Street is.
सड़क. सड़क.
We walked down the street. In Hindi, Hama.
सड़क.
Para Kale. My house is on this street. In Hindi, Mera Gara Isa.
सड़क.
Para Hai. Picture a busy market street with shops, snacks, people, rickshaws, and someone trying to sell socks with the passion of a Shakespeare actor. That is.
सड़क.
Repeat after me. Street.
सड़क.
Street.
सड़क.
Dangerously useful directions. You're doing great. Now let's arrive at the place where roads meet and drivers suddenly become philosophers. Intersection is.
चौराहा.
Turn left at the intersection. In Hindi, the key word is.
चौराहा.
The shop is near the intersection. Again, near the.
चौराहा.
A.
चौराहा.
Is where roads meet. It often feels like the city is asking, would you like confusion, dust, or snacks? And the answer is, yes. Memory trick. Think of 4 roads meeting at a.
चौराहा.
Red means stop, green means glory. Now for a word that is wonderfully practical and slightly bossy. It tells everyone what to do without even saying please. Traffic light is.
ट्रैफिक लाइट.
The traffic light turned red. In Hindi.
ट्रैफिक लाइट लाल हो गई.
We stopped at the traffic light. In Hindi.
हम ट्रैफिक लाइट पर रुके.
The.
ट्रैफिक लाइट.
Is like the referee of the street. It has 3 colors and the confidence of a school principal. Say it with me.
ट्रैफिक लाइट.
Very good. You now understand a glowing robot pole. Waiting like a professional. Every language learner eventually reaches a bus stop, both in life and in vocabulary. Let's make it useful. Bus stop is.
बस स्टॉप.
I am waiting at the bus stop. In Hindi, Maim.
बस स्टॉप.
Para intizara kara raha hum. We met at the bus stop. In Hindi, Hama.
बस स्टॉप.
Para mile. Imagine standing under a sign, checking the road, checking your phone, checking the road again, and pretending you are calm. That place is the.
बस स्टॉप.
Mini challenge. Bus stop.
बस स्टॉप.
The mystery of the timetable. You're now ready for the word that saves travelers from chaos, panic, and sleeping on the wrong platform bench. Timetable is.
समय सारणी.
I checked the timetable before going to the station. In Hindi, Main Stasana Jane Se Pahale.
समय सारणी.
Deki. The bus timetable is posted on the wall. In Hindi, the key word is.
समय सारणी.
A.
समय सारणी.
Is a map for time. It quietly says, if you had checked me earlier, you would not be sprinting right now. Repeat it once more.
समय सारणी.
Do not forget this tiny hero. Now we meet a small piece of paper with enormous power. Without it, you travel nowhere except into embarrassment. Ticket is.
Ticket.
I bought a ticket for the train. In Hindi, main trina ke lai.
Ticket.
Karida. Show me your ticket, please. In Hindi, the key word is.
Ticket.
A.
Ticket.
Is a tiny key that opens a journey. It is small, easy to lose, and somehow always hiding in the least logical pocket. Say it clearly.
Ticket.
Great. Your imaginary conductor is impressed. The great train switch. Last big travel word. This one is for the brave, the alert, and anyone who has ever run across a station with a bag bouncing dramatically. To change trains is.
Badalna.
We have to change trains in Delhi. In Hindi, hamam dilli mem.
Badalna.
Hi. Please change trains at the next station. The key Hindi action is.
Badalna.
Imagine stepping off one train, checking the platform, and jumping onto another like a very polite action hero. That is.
Badalna.
Repeat after me. Change trains.
Badalna.
Funny dialogue on the move. Let's put all the words together in a short scene. Listen, smile, and notice how much you already understand. A. Why are we late? B. Because of.
Yatayat.
A. Which?
Sadak.
Do we take? B. This one, but turn left at the.
Chauraha.
A. Should we stop here? B. Yes, the.
Traffic light.
Is red. A. Where is the bus? B. Wait at the.
Bus stop.
And check the.
Samay sarani.
A. Did you buy the.
Ticket.
B. Yes, but later we have to.
Badalna.
A. So the trip is easy? B. No, but at least now it is bilingual. Quick quiz for brave travelers. Time for a fast review. Answer out loud before I reveal the Hindi. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. But the fun kind. What is traffic in Hindi?
Yatayat.
What is street in Hindi?
Sadak.
What is intersection in Hindi?
Chauraha.
What is traffic light in Hindi?
Traffic light.
What is bus stop in Hindi?
Bus stop.
What is timetable in Hindi?
Samay sarani.
What is ticket in Hindi?
Ticket.
How do you say change trains in Hindi?
Badalna.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just traveled through a full set of practical Hindi transport words without getting lost, which is honestly impressive. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these words out loud.
Yatayat. Sadak. Chauraha. Traffic light. Bus stop. Samay sarani. Ticket.
And
Badalna.
use them the next time you imagine a trip, hear a travel announcement, or blame
Yatayat.
for being late. Keep going, keep listening, and keep practicing your Hindi.